I am signed up to ai-image.pro. We've got different sections here. I'm going to feature the storyboard creator. So if we click on that, we see that we've got reference images that we want to include, a property area where we can enter the story. But the main issue is we haven't got it. So I've got ChatGPT to create a story for us. So it's about a mouse taking some cheese off the table and slipping back into his hole in the skirting board. So we'll leave that there initially. And flip back, we need to create some assets. So what I'm going to do is go into the creation area. I'm just going to create a simple draft mouse. How do we want him? A Pixar style mouse image. I'm going to generate that. So this will create our mouse, and then we'll go back to the screen and we'll add a mouse there. You'll do. Quite cute. So we'll roll on back to the storyboard creator. What we can do is find our mouse from here, add him to the reference section. And then what we can do is we can paste in our story about the mouse. Thank you, ChatGPT. And let's create 6 images. It doesn't always create 6 images. It just depends on if it can complete the story in 3, it will do that, but it'll only charge you for 3 images. So let's render this and see what happens. So as you can see, it's created short descriptions for each image. It's indeed created 6 images. So it will give you a breakdown of the structure. So it will give you a breakdown of the shot, the title of the actual scene. So it's giving you a low angle, extreme close-up from inside the skirting board hole, mouse twitching his nose, etc. So it will describe this for each one. So you can use these as your prompts for your video creation. So what we've got here is we've got our wee mouse guy sticking his head out. Quite cute. We've got the cheese, you can see, awesome. We've got him climbing up, great. And we've got him trying to deal with the cheese. That's pretty tough by the looks of it. And then finally manages to drag it across the floor and into his hole where he can lovingly eat it. How cute is he? So all these images are then dropped into your image section for you to use. You can then go back to the video generation and you can drop your start and end frames in there, whichever one you want, and create a video for that, which will be in another little session later. Thanks for watching.